Here, we're making a good snack.
Alright, what are we making today, Chef Josh?
It's a slice of toast with peanut butter and jalapeno slices.
Well, that sounds absolutely delicious.
First you gotta toast the toaster. Now all that's left is the heel, nobody wants that.
And that's the most important part of the process.
The most important part is to throw away the heel.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna get out the penis butter.
These look like some great ingredients. Where'd you get these from?
The store. Well, I got these from Louisiana. And I got this from Austin, Minnesota.
That sounds like a great place to get your peanut butter from.
Not anymore. Don't know why I did that. Now you have to wait so many minutes.
Why does your toast take a long time?
It just takes amount of minutes.
How long does it take to toast your toast?
It depends on how long you toast it.
Oh. You like to burn your toast before you eat it?
No. I like to cook it.
Alright, our toast is done.
Did you press the button?
Yes, I did. I know what I'm doing.
Cook.
I've used a camera before.
I haven't.
Let's hear about that. Why haven't you used a camera before?
Just never had the opportunity.
Sounds like a great thing. Now,
So
we're
you
gonna
gotta-
watch the Master Chef go to work.
You gotta spread the peanut butter on there. Now you close the peanut butter container.
I don't usually do that. I guess that must be one of your secrets.
And then you open the jars. And you add your toppings.
See, I don't know why, but every time you reach into the jar, I expect you to come out with a pickle, even though I know it's jalapenos.
And then you can dig in. Yeah, honestly, not too bad. It tastes like peanut butter, but then it's also spicy.
Nice.